afternoon, everybody, and welcome. We're going to talk about today how we can accelerate collaboration and drive up productivity with user profiles for Jira. Now, as we all know, collaboration and productivity, those are words that are becoming more and more important nowadays. And of course, working with dispersed teams all over in multiple locations, and also with multiple teams working with people in-house and at working from home, it has become increasingly difficult to increase our collaboration and make sure that everybody's working from the same page. However, most of our teams and organizations are getting used to this, particularly post the pandemic age, and collaboration is getting easier. But how can we make collaboration in Jira easier, faster, and therefore increase our productivity? One such way is we can use user profiles for Jira. We can create powerful user profiles that can help us to add additional information onto the user profiles in Jira so that we can keep all the information and get in touch with our people much faster, and of course keep them up to date with this app. At Communardo, we're constantly looking for different ways and solutions to help you collaborate with your teams, with your organization, and of course with your customers much faster. We are also constantly looking for ways that you can work that efficiently with the products that you have and the tools that you have, essentially to achieve smarter enterprise and collaboration between all your teams and customers. With user profiles for Jira, you can sync and display information direct from Azure AD directly onto your Jira issues. You can add all the relevant information, for example, location, for example, department, and of course, any additional information that you'd like to add. You can enhance your profiles, you can improve and quicken your workflows by adding additional data, and of course, automating different processes within your Jira issues. As a service agent, you might struggle to find different data in different places, but with user profiles for Jira, you can have all that data in one place, which makes dealing with your Jira issues and your work processes much faster, and you can display all that information on one view screen, so you have all the information that you need. You can also improve your workflows and productivity with user profiles for Jira. You can sync and display all the important information from Azure AD directly on your Jira issues. You can select different and detailed information like department, phone number, or indeed line managers. You can automate your tasks and processes and includes user information when you're defining the different automations that you'd like to use. You can empower Jira service management teams to prioritize, to manage requests based on user data. For example, if you have fast lanes for your Jira issues, you can use user profiles and user data to determine who and what issues are prioritized and go into the fast lane. You can also divide your requests between location, between countries, because in some situations, different countries may have different regulations, and therefore your agents will be able to understand where and when and which issues are prioritized based on locations. And to make life easier, you can add hover previews, and where you can simply hover over the user profile and get all the information that is relevant to the issue all in one place. So if you need to make contact, or if you need to find out information such as contact details, such as position, department, or indeed line manager, you can find all that information on one place just by hovering over the profile. That makes life quite easier, definitely. As I said, with service agents, making life easier is what we're trying to do with user profiles for Jira. What you can do is add extra information, additional information, to the service desk, to your customer profiles. You can add the locations, you can add the departments they're in, contact persons, And of course, this makes life easier in dealing with the processes and the issues much faster, and of course, leading to happy customers. Included in this, knowing your customer is part of getting a happy customer. And with these additional information, your service agents can not only build rapport with your customers, but indeed service them much faster. User profiles for Jira. We are happy to announce at Communardo Products that we have just released user profiles for Jira cloud version. And with the cloud version, there's a simple, easy, and quick setup to the user profiles. And all you can do, once you have set up the user profiles for Jira and connected it with Azure AD, all the attributes that you've connected and all the relevant information will be automatically updated. And you can also use your existing directories and update your Jira issues with the information that you have on your existing directories. This is one of our cloud releases, and this is live, and you can now use it. We also have integration and migration help for the user profiles if you're moving from server or data center to cloud. And what we'd like to say is just today that we are happy to announce that the user profiles for Jira Cloud is available. And of course, this will help you to increase and accelerate all your collaboration, and of course, increase your productivity. Thank you very much for your time, and see you later on.